Welcome to the best picks. The best matte bronzer is probably one of the most sought-after makeup products for achieving a natural-looking, sun-kissed glow without any shimmer or shine. This video will dive deep into the world of matte bronzers, exploring what makes a truly great product, and helping you find the perfect shade and formula to enhance your features and create a flawlessly sculpted look, whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro. We will cover everything from application techniques to choosing the right shade for your skin tone, ensuring you get the most out of your matte bronzer. Number 5. Elizabeth Mott Bronzer Kit. Achieve a warm, sun-kissed glow with this bronzer. It's perfect for an all-over glow or for contouring, giving you a natural-looking tan without the sun damage. The silky, fine powder blends easily and smoothly. You can build coverage for a customized look. Use it to contour your cheeks, chin, and eyes. It helps bring out your best features. This bronzer absorbs excess oil, keeping your skin shine-free. Enjoy a sun-kissed glow that lasts. It's Leaping Bunny approved, meaning it's cruelty-free and ethically made. You can feel good about using it. It comes in 2 finishes, matte and luminous shimmer. Choose the one that best suits your look and skin tone. What we like? It offers a naturally radiant tan without looking unnatural. Its silky smooth texture blends effortlessly for buildable coverage. If you are looking for a cruelty-free option that gives you a sun-kissed glow, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? It's great, not heavy on the face, and definitely makes you look tan. Great coverage, not cakey, and lasts all day and night. Goes on nicely with a powder brush. Shade is great, gives me a little color for the winter. Number 4. Maybelline New York City Bronzer. Get ready for Maybelline's innovative bronzing and contouring powder. It's designed to give you a sculpted, sun-kissed look with ease. This luxurious powder is made with micro-milled powder and whipped cocoa butter, ensuring an ultra-soft and smooth application. It feels amazing on your skin. Whether you want an all-over bronze, a subtle contour, or a natural makeup look, it's incredibly versatile. Achieve your desired look with ease. This bronzer comes in medium tones, perfect for a wide range of skin complexions. Find your perfect shade and enhance your natural beauty. It's ideal for creating various makeup looks. Accentuate your cheekbones or bronze your entire face for a radiant glow. The possibilities are endless. Use the lighter shade for softer angles and a more natural look. For more depth and dimension, use the darker shade to contour and sculpt. What we like? This bronzer gives you a sculpted, sun-kissed look with its velvety matte finish. It's incredibly versatile, allowing you to create multiple looks, from subtle contouring to an all-over bronze. If you want a product that can do it all, this is for you. What people say? This is hands down my favorite bronzer. A little goes a long way. I will always buy this on Amazon. Never have issues. I was worried to order, as another review said it had sparkles, but it did not appear to in the photo. I ordered the light and it does not have sparkles. I'm not sure if the other shades do, but this one certainly does not, and I am glad for it. Number 3. Physicians Formula Matte Bronzer. Get ready for a bronzer that's as luxurious as it is effective. It's packed with essential fatty acids and provitamins to soften and moisturize your skin, leaving it silky smooth. This bronzer features a unique blend of monoi butter, muramura butter, kubwaka butter, and tukima butter. These ingredients work together to give you a flawless, natural-looking tan. Experience the incredible creamy and soft texture. It effortlessly glides onto your skin, delivering a long-lasting, airbrushed matte finish. It's water-resistant, so it will stay put all day long. Enjoy that perfect Tahitian sun-kissed look without worrying about touch-ups. This unique formula combines the best of both worlds. It gives you the smooth application of a cream with the flawless matte finish of a powder. It's been dermatologist tested, so you can feel confident using it on your skin. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. What we like? It's infused with moisturizing butters, leaving your skin feeling soft and hydrated. It provides an airbrushed, matte finish that lasts all day. If you have dry skin and want a long-lasting, luxurious bronzer, this is the one for you. What people say. Small, ideal for travel. Lightweight. Other side of container comes with a mirror and brush, making the product a bit bulky for the smaller makeup bags. Color adecuado para mí, soy morena clara. Dice mate pero de una iluminación perfecta sin ser brilloso. Number 2. LAMEL Sunkissed Matte Bronzer. Get ready for a natural-looking tan without the harmful UV rays. This bronzer gives you a sun-kissed glow effortlessly. It delivers a beautiful, sun-kissed look. Say goodbye to orange or shimmery tones. This matte finish is perfect for a natural tan. Suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. It's formulated with hypoallergenic ingredients for everyday use. This bronzer is perfect for travel with its compact size and long-lasting formula. A little goes a long way. Apply it effortlessly with a brush or even your fingers. It blends seamlessly for all-day coverage. This bronzer is cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. It's a guilt-free way to enhance your natural beauty. What we like. It's formulated with hypoallergenic ingredients, making it suitable for all skin types. It's also long-lasting and travel-friendly, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. If you need a bronzer that's gentle on your skin and convenient to carry, this is ideal. What people say. Use daily and have hit pan, really enjoy this tone. I'm fairly light skin but not super pale. It's a nice bronzing color so my foundation doesn't wash me out. It's matte so you're not all plastic looking at 10 a.m. But layer it, put some on, have a look, then put some more on. The color, the matteness, and blendability. It looks great on my pale skin, adds color without making me look ruddy, and doesn't add to the look of the ever-multiplying creases on my face. Blendability is a huge thing for me. I like to look very natural when wearing makeup. Number 1. NYX Matte Bronzer. It's a bronzer, but matte. Get a radiant glow without any glitter. This pressed powder is perfect for a natural-looking tan all year round. Achieve a gorgeous matte bronzed glow effortlessly. It's our best bronzer yet for a warm, sun-kissed complexion. Use it to add definition to your face. Finish your makeup look with our full line of face products. We have everything from concealer and foundation to contouring palettes and powders. We're cruelty-free and PETA approved. We believe animals belong in our arms, not in a lab. We don't test on animals. Explore our full range of professional makeup. From eyeshadows and lipsticks to primers and setting sprays, we have everything you need. What we like. It delivers a radiant, matte glow without any shimmer. It's perfect for adding warmth and definition to your face. If you're looking for a cruelty-free matte bronzer that gives you a natural-looking tan, this is a great option. What people say. This bronzer gives me a really nice glow and I use it as a contour as well. I love that it is a matte finish since I have combination skin and shimmer finish can accentuate oily skin. Finding a matte bronzer isn't easy, but this one goes on smooth with no powder look. I use it every day and it doesn't make my face break out. The shade light is perfect for my fair skin tone. It provides just the right amount of warmth without looking orange or muddy. The matte finish adds a subtle definition to my features without any shimmer, ideal for both everyday wear and more dramatic looks. The texture of this bronzer is incredibly smooth and blendable. It effortlessly glides onto the skin, allowing for easy application and buildable coverage. I appreciate how finely milled the powder is, as it never looks cakey or patchy, even when layered. One of the standout features of this bronzer is its longevity. Once applied, it stays put throughout the day without fading or oxidizing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.